Welcome to the Bailey how-to videos, and in this video we'll be discussing the Ford cab on your motorhome. Now this is a basic run through of the features. Full details can be found in your handbook. Now we're on a well-tended site at the moment. You may hear a lawnmower or two in the background. Now obviously with a cab the first thing you need is the key. Now this is a traditional key with unlock at the top and lock in the middle. Now also the key unlocks the bonnet, so don't waste loads of time inside looking for the bonnet release handle. This simply slots into a hole above the badge, and that's how you lift the bonnet. Bonnet stay locates to the left, and then on this side you have all the important things to look after. The dipstick is a yellow handle here. Just to the left of that is the oil filler point, and just to the left of that under this blue cap is the washer fluid. So to fill up with diesel and AdBlue you need to come to the passenger side. Open the door because there's a small tab on the top of the filler flap, and then you can just open the flap and fuel away. Now if you need to fill up with AdBlue, the AdBlue filler point is just below here in a separate door. So all you do is pull that door open, unscrew the top, and then replace when you're done. And then when you're done, it's just a reverse of that process. Moving into the cab, the seats have two modes. They have a driving mode and a lounging mode. Now these seats, once you've unclipped this lever here, they just swivel round to face the rear. Now to make them face forward again, all you do is turn the seat until they lock into position. And it's very important that you do so because they must be facing forward and locked in position before you drive. Now above the cab is a sunroof. Now this is held in place with a series of catches, but once you're stopped on site, all you do is undo the catches, lift upwards, and then tighten the adjuster so it holds it in place. And then when you're ready to go home, make sure you stow it away and lock all of the catches securely. For nighttime mode in the cab, all of the glass has blinds fitted, and that includes the sunroof above me. So to close the blinds, all you have to do is pinch, draw the blinds across, and then they simply clip together with magnet. And then for the blinds on the side windows, again you just pinch, hold, draw the blind across, and again they locate into place with magnets.